It's a beautiful winter wonderland here in Charlotte, North Carolina at 5737 Chalice Lane, the day after Christmas. It's beginning to look a lot like the day after Christmas. I mean, it snowed and snowed and snowed. Show you what it looks like in the back. It's beautiful. Have to wander back there at some point. Looks like I'm in a Jack London novel. So beautiful. So wet snow, and the snow's really sticking to the little limbs here. Well, merry day after Christmas. And a happy new year.
You look like the guy.
So it's the big snowstorm
And what do you say on that occasion?
of December 26th, 2010.
The fact is, I'm very self-similar. I am fractal-like. Yes, I see. Thank you, nerds. Let us talk about the areas of your expertise, of which are immense. Because that was my old book. That was the old technology. I'm sorry, but now we've moved on to the new technology. The upgrade is entitled "More Information Than You Require." See, here's the thing. Your book.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I gotta put both hands on the wheel now.
Ripley's Believe It or Not in the Book of Lists.